me on my trip down to the Karri Valley Resort in the southwest of Western Australia. If you're looking for somewhere to stay here in the southwest of Western Australia, I'll definitely check out the Karri Valley Resort. You have all these different lodges. You have also the hotel side where the restaurant is, and there's rooms in there which are also lakeside. But I tell you what, if you've got a group of you, these lakeside lodges are perfect. After the long journey down, we wanted to stretch the legs, so we went on the beaten up loop walk, which takes you around the lake to see the famous waterfalls and the tree that you can walk through. Check it out. Here it is, the famous walk-through tree. I did come here when I was young. It's good to be back again, 20 years later. So we've just reached a point where it says the falls are down here, so we're nearly there. So far it has been moving close. If your Apple Watch, you know. We've been going for 50 minutes and 2.62 kilometers. I can hear the falls now. Check out the falls over here. 15 feet up falls. Back at our chalet, and just opposite us is the lake, and there's a jetty, and you're welcome to walk on there. You can hire fishing rods if you like as well, but it's a beautiful little spot to walk right out to the water's edge. Next up, time to cook dinner. And we had these little friendly guys come visit us as well. Some good old kookaburras. We brought our tennis rackets with us, having a game down here. It's good fun before the sun comes out and gets too hot. Just walking back from tennis. There's Ed, because we've spotted one massive emu with 5 baby emus. You don't see that every day. Back at the resort, and this here is the activity hut right on the lake. You can book your tennis, your pedalo, your kayaks, your archery. It's all here with all the prices. Pretty reasonable as well. So me and Mum just got some pedalos out here at Karri Valley. Really cool because it's a bit easier than a canoe. Well, maybe. It's like riding a bike, isn't it, Mum? Yes. Just got to make sure we steer. We're going to steer with this thing, left or right. But there's people everywhere. So you sort of watch out, you don't crash into them. And we really made use of all the activities at the resort. Now come with me up to the lodge and I'll show you around. And this is the view inside. Here is a tour of our 2-bedroom chalets. You have a kitchen here, everything you need to cook a nice dinner. We're having burgers that night. Nice big dining table. There is a fire as well you can use in the winter, a TV, and it's summer, so we're sitting outside, al fresco style, and our view. Why wouldn't you want to sit out on the balcony for dinner? This was the bedroom which overlooked the lake, and then you had another bedroom here, 2 single beds, also very nice, and then you had a laundry, full facilities, shower, and the toilet. So a perfect room, all you need for your stay at Karri Valley. And this is the Lakeside Restaurant and Bar, which is on site. Really nice restaurant. And this is us here down for the buffet breakfast in the morning with all your cereals, your fruit, your toast, your pastries, and then of course the hot food. You've got nice crispy bacon, sausages, baked beans, grilled tomatoes and mushrooms. your hash browns, and French toast as well. I went for a bit of everything like I always do, and the view again was irresistible right on the lake. I was really enjoying my time here that morning. It's our last day here at Karri Valley Resort. Got up early, had lovely breakfast, buffet breakfast. $30 per person if you're wondering, but well worth it because you're sitting right on the lake. Ed just went out for stand-up paddleboarding. Check this out. And we're just packing up now because it is our last morning. Check out, it's at 10. Time to go home. Also, just on site, there's a little shop where you can get anything that you may have forgotten or want to add. Also some souvenirs. We got some nice local Pemberton honey. It's also nice wine and beers as well. But that's it. We've had a great time here at the Karri Valley Resort. Can't wait to come back. Let me know if you plan to go or want to go because of this video. See you soon.